it was trampled on, and the birds of the air came and ate it up. Other seeds fell on rocky ground where it didn't have much soil. It sprang up quickly, but when the sun came out, the plants withered because they had no root.
I'm wilting.
Other seed fell among thorns. And the seeds fell down among the thorns.
Hi guys, want to feature me?
The seeds grew, but the weeds grew with it
Here we come.
and choked the plants.